In a calm harbor, Captain Lily and her parrot, Squawk, set sail on their trusty ship, the Starry Night, seeking treasure under the twinkling stars. Their quest leads them to the Whispering Caves, rumored to hold a magical treasure, but they must solve ancient riddles to enter. Inside the caves, they face slippery rocks and echoing voices, but with teamwork and bravery, they navigate through. Finally, they discover the treasure, a chest filled with shining stars. They realize the true treasure is the adventure they shared together. As they sail home, Lily learns that the greatest treasures are the memories made and friendships forged along the way.